Metro not came, huh? Okay. Okay, guys. So yesterday project we discussed, right, already. So I'll show through Jenkins today. And also one concept is pending Jenkins users management. Also I'll discuss if we have a time. And then from Monday onwards we can start Docker. Yeah. I'm in online sir Metro. Why? Sadanand. Today Metro's holiday? Friday? Ah. Just I want to know what happened, you guys. Friday will come. Anyway, your wish. Okay, yes. So this process I can show including Sonar Cube also. As I said, Sonar Cube, Maven, and deployment process include. So in this case, I'm taking here Sonar Jenkins, Maven Sonar Jenkins. So T2 dot medium key pair is not required. Default SG group. Okay, I'm going to launch a one server. Okay, so let's connect the server. So in this server inside, I'm taking just only one server for everything. You know the process, right? Of different server, how to call and all. So master and slave also you can take, or you can directly use the public URLs for the connecting one. I'll show where to do the changes. Okay, so let me install Git first. And M install Maven also, right? So Maven build we have to run Maven -y and also so I need to install Jenkins also. So Jenkins, Maven, Git done. Next is what? Sonar Cube also, right? So let's install SonarQube also. Okay. So Java already installed. So and then create a password for SonarQube. And then log in. If you want to do activities from here, you are inside of Sonar. Okay. Open the duplicate tab here. Okay, let's leave it and go to now start the SonarQube. Where to go here? CD, OPT, and Sonar, bin, Linux system. Yeah, sh, sonar.sh, start. Okay, what is the port number of SonarQube? Hmm? So let's take first Jenkins. Uh, Nine triple zero. Okay. So guys, before understand the pipeline, we have to write a some stages here. How many stages will come? Okay. Uh, stage one. Stage one is what, guys? Git clone. Clone the repository of the your project. Next is what backend process. Tell me what you have done here. After clone is what now? Backend code is there. Next is what? Huh? Maven command. Before that, can I add SonarQube scanner also for the code? SonarQube code, right? Here also you can add, or after also you can add. So code scanner. Next is what? Can I add quality gates also? Quality gates. Your code is, for example, as expected, is not good. So any issues are there, we can add a quality gates. Next is what? Maven commands. Maven build. Next is what? Maven, after Maven build, jar file will be created, right? What we need to do? Run the jar file by giving MySQL inputs, right? Clear or not? By giving a MySQL inputs. That's it. These stages we have to run by Jenkins. So before that, what we need to do? Create a RDS quickly. Required, you can enable this one also. Yeah, create a database. database instance. Okay, guys. So now in Jenkins, first we have to create a credentials for SonarQube. Let me tell you here. Cat, take the password, initial password here, and log in a Jenkins. Okay, now you can see this is my server. Okay, so in this server inside, my Jenkins is taking automation of our process. Can give save and continue. Now we can start the Jenkins configurations, whatever required here. Okay, so this is my Jenkins now. So what activities are performing the Jenkins here? First git clone. Yeah. So first clone the repository. Next is what here? If required, we can add a SonarQube here. So let's take SonarQube. Okay. And next is what? Quality gates also including SonarQube. I'm not separately writing here. And Maven. Java jar. Clear now? So now this jar file, your wish guys, if you want to deploy separate server, you can create a separate server and Jenkins will connect to that server as a agent and run. Or you can deploy in the same server also, right? It's completely your wish. So here, same server. Same server. Clear na? Okay. So in this case, first we have to do a few things and plugins and all required here. Let's go to the Jenkins now. So first we can install pipeline stage view plugin. One next SonarQube plugin, SonarQube scanner plugin, GitHub integration. If any webhook, if you want to integrate, so get GitHub integration. That's it, guys. Okay. So guys, here Jenkins running inside the server, SonarQube inside, running also inside the server, but both are running different ports, right? So we have to inform to Jenkins where the SonarQube is running so that Jenkins can connect and run the scan command. Clear or not? In this case, first, how Jenkins can log in, SonarQube is the point now. So go to SonarQube here. Admin, guys. So, okay. So first here, we have an administrator, right? Administration, click on it. Click on security. Click on users, administration, security and users. And click on here, token. Generate one token for SonarQube integration. See, even pipeline project creation time also it is asking one token for integrate or easy to communicate to SonarQube, right? Give any name, token, test, generate. So this token is important for Jenkins communicate with your SonarQube. Copy and better to store anywhere. Once you close it, again it will not appear. Okay, let's go to now Jenkins where I can integrate this credential section. Okay, Jenkins credential section. Go to here Jenkins. So click on here gearbox. Gear icon the settings. Here you can go for credentials. Click on the credentials. Click on the system. Click on the global credentials. One more time I'm going to show you. Click on the credentials. Click on the system. So global credentials. So this you can use for any pipeline. Global credentials means global level, not pipeline level. Add a credentials. So now can I username password is not suitable for my credentials. So in this case, can I take secret text? It's a secret text only, right? So take my secret from here. Oh, this is close. Okay, I have that's what I have already. Copy. Don't give any space in between. So go to Jenkins here. Secret. Okay. So ID just you can give any ID. I'm just giving a Sonar credentials like this. Okay. Create. Credentials created. Next. We have a system integration here. Your Jenkins want to communicate with a different process. We have to give in the system integration. In the system integration, you have to give your SonarQube credentials, SonarQube public IP and all. Click on the system. Check whether SonarQube option is there or not anywhere. SonarQube. Okay, guys. So here, yeah, here. Name you can give anything. So server URL. Let's go with here back. System. We can see SonarQube. Yeah, this one. SonarQube servers are there now. Here you can click on add SonarQube. So here, give the URL of SonarQube. My URL is what? Control C. Give like this. Clear na? This is SonarQube URL. So Jenkins can use this server URL to connect the SonarQube and also place credentials. This is endpoint. Token is for authentication. Clear na? Now here give the server name Sonar. Just I'm giving a name is Sonar. Okay. Credentials already generated, right? Click on it. See Sonar credentials. Clear na global credentials, right? We can access from anywhere. So what I'm trying to say, Jenkins, in your system configurations, I'm configuring into SonarQube endpoint and credentials. With the help of this, you can log in and run the project, scan the source code, give the result, and next perform quality gates. If something issue or major issues are there, you can block the process, don't allow for deployment process. If something is good, you can allow for next jar file generation process. After that, you can run the jar file. Clear na guys? Apply and save. Okay. And a very important thing is, let's go to SonarQube here. Yeah, here. Configurations option is there na. Here webhooks is there na. Click on the webhook. Create a webhook here. So name you can give anything. So like this you can give. This is what here Jenkins payload URL we have to give. I'll tell you for what purpose we should give here. Control C. So just you can give my public here only public IP already 8080 already there, right? So only here to okay. And here clear na guys? The purpose is what here? Secret not required. How to save this? Control create. Clear na? The purpose of this, let me increase again. Yeah. For example, your Jenkins. First is scanner stage is there. Next is quality gate stage is there, right? So Jenkins can trigger the scanner. Okay. And after that, it will validate the quality gates, right? So this quality gates, whether fail or pass, Jenkins should know, right? So this webhook will give in a notification to Jenkins. This is pass. You can go for next stage. Or this is fail. You can stop it. Jenkins itself don't know this, right? The response will get from where SonarQube inside only. That response will get from the SonarQube. That's what we have integrated the webhook to understand the Jenkins, whether it is success or failure in the project. Clear na? That's what the status for SonarQube. So here, yeah, almost we done. Let's wait for database. This is also done. So go to here. Okay. Repositories, Jenkins Spring Boot project. Here you can see my pipeline already. Yeah, Jenkins file. You can see here, copy. Go here. So first I'm declaring environmental variables. So SonarQube equal to sonar, jar name equal to my jar name. My jar file will be created on this name only. I'm declaring here. Okay. I will tell you what is SonarQube equal to sonar. First is what? Clone. Next is what? Clean. Next is what? Code quality. Sonar scanner. Next is what? Quality gates. Next is what? Build package. Next is what? Copy the jar file into next is what? Run application. See, these comments already yesterday given, right? So pkill, why I'm giving here? If any process is running on this port number, first kill. And then next is what? Create a logs. And next is what? By giving a this host name. Yesterday we run these commands, right? 4 commands. This is for start. Last, post, success or fail. Now coming to here, see, I'm using which workspace it is. Why I'm using Jenkins workspace? The first reason is, guys, let me show you. I'll tell you why. See, in Linux class, already discussed, three type of users are there in the Linux. Normal user, system user, other user, normal user, system user. System user, when it will create, when you configure any system. Jenkins installation, Jenkins user created. SonarQube installation, Sonar user created. Now Jenkins pipeline run on which user, guys? Jenkins pipelines. Normally Jenkins run on which user? Jenkins user only. Understand? Jenkins run entire process by Jenkins user process only. This process only. Now tell me, if you create one user, user add, user creation. That user, if you log in, that user able to run sudo commands? No, right? If user want to run sudo commands, what I should do? This is a problem every time. Yesterday even. I think there is a control in third floor lab. Someone maybe they're operating from there to stop. Maybe by mistake they're switch off anything. ప్లీజ్ చెక్ చేయండి. సో ఇక్కడైతే డేటా లాస్ ఏం లేదు. మరి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్. ఓకే, so guys, normal user, if you create normal user not able to run sudo commands, definitely if normal user want to run sudo commands, what I should do? There is sudo files, right? va sudo files. Inside you can add a user all. If you give user can run any sudo command, any package user can install, right? Now Jenkins want to use sudo command, you should add Jenkins full permissions, or Jenkins having a full permissions for Jenkins workspace directories. You can do all activities in the workspace directory, or if you don't want to use workspace directory, main directory if you want to use, then give the Jenkins full permissions. Clear now what I'm trying to say? But here if you can see my pipeline, here if you can see my pipeline here, everything, my mkdir creating my workspace inside only, and my target directory also move the jar file into my workspace inside only. Chmod permission I'm giving into my jar file to my workspace inside only. The reason, otherwise what we can do, you are unable to do the activities by using the Jenkins sudo commands. Either you can do any directory, only activity you can do sudo, open the sudo files, va sudo files, etc sudo files, add Jenkins user information, then you can do anything by using Jenkins. Two chances are there, two ways are there. Clear now? Okay, so here the thing is, I'm going to run my sonar to scan the package of the code. So in this code, you can see I'm using here environmental variable of SonarQube. Environmental variable of SonarQube. Here SonarQube I've declared what here? Sonar. This is what actually here. Go to the Jenkins system. So what I have given here, the name of the SonarQube is Sonar, right? Environmental variable of environmental variable of sonar. So if you call this name, the meaning is you are calling what? Screen issue. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Where we are. Okay. So guys, okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say now, guys, in this pipeline, I'm considering my pipeline working directory is a Jenkins workspace directory. Okay, where lib Jenkins workspace is there na. So Jenkins able to do anything inside the Jenkins workspace. Otherwise, if Jenkins want to do the activity inside the home directory, you can open the vi sudoers file in the etc sudoers file. There you can add the Jenkins user information. So Jenkins can do anything into the home directory inside. That's what you can see after clean the package. I'm going to copy my jar file into where workspace insert jar name. Why? This jar file will be created into where the I mean, if you home directory instead of your jar file created after build, Maven build. So there we can't do anything. So if you want to do any activities, create something and all. That's what, to get a full permissions, I'm going to move into the workspace inside directory, jar name. After that, run application. If you want to run application, so already jar is running on the workspace inside, right? Kill that process first. If previous process is running, now you're doing a new process, right? First kill. Okay. And now mkdir to get the logs, to check the logs. First we are creating mkdir logs and then give the inputs and run the process. Yesterday we ran already manual process, right? Here you can see. This is for only backend pipeline, guys. You can see process. Yeah, you can see here. These three commands I have given. I'm giving inside the Jenkins pipeline. That's it only. Yeah. So move command and all. See root directory inside. Root directory if inside if you move, we can't do anything. The run process and all we don't have Jenkins. That's what I'm moving into workspace inside the Jenkins only. Can do anything inside. Otherwise, you can add the sudo files inside Jenkins full permissions. Anything is fine. And coming to the here Sonar Cube. So the screen issue is there right at that time. So coming to the Sonar Cube here, go to Sonar Scanner here. Here I'm not giving any credentials, right? Directly, see, for example, if you create a Sonar Cube project, the project endpoint contains what? Public IP of the Sonar Cube, and key ID of the Sonar Cube, right? But this two I configured into where? I configured into Sonar Cube environmental variables into the Jenkins inside. Where? Here. Manage Jenkins. Here you can see system configurations inside. System configurations inside. I have configured already Sonar Cube, right? So the meaning is if you call environmental variable of Sonar name, that means you are calling a Sonar Cube URL, Sonar Cube credentials. These are the credentials already configured right before. Which credential it is? Token. So with the help of token, with the help of endpoint, Jenkins will connect the Sonar Cube, run the project, scan the project, give the report to you. Clear na? So whatever name you are giving here, same name you can declare in your pipeline as a variable here. Clear? Yeah. So let's get start now. We can see if any issues will come, we can do. Backend. Okay. So we have one more process also. Directly we can call Jenkins script from the GitHub only. Instead of copy paste also, we can discuss that process also. Yeah, copy and go to here. Yeah. Now you can see here, first stage is what? Git clone. This is important. Which repository you have given? Yeah, same. Apply, save, run the pipeline. We can see now, build now. You can check the logs. Works. You can click on it. You can see the logs also here. Console output. What's going on in the background. So the pipeline is this one, guys. Don't confuse. Here Docker pipelines also there. Name is Jenkins final. I'll do the some changes. So your task is you can do the same process, GitHub Actions or GitLab CI/CD. Anything. One is enough. Try GitHub Actions. There you have to do one activity. Additional activity. You have to connect SSH. Why? Here, same server, right? Jenkins and all, but their server is not there, right? You have to deploy jar file into where? Server. Otherwise, environment will delete, right? Server. Server is target, right? Target server inside. You have to deploy the jar file means what? The jar connect to SSH to mission and copy the jar from your environment to EC2 instance inside and run over there. That's what the difference is. Even same concept, if you want to do, target server is different server here also. Target server is different. Your Jenkins should connect to target server through SSHR controller method, right? We have discussed Jenkins master and slave concept. Yeah. Now see jar file created, right? Go to here. Maven Jenkins owner. So PS aux. Working, huh? No, I think it stopped. See, disconnected. After refresh only again, it is working. Run at speed tester. Aika. Okay, we have a 20 minutes time. After that, we can test. Okay. Okay. So PS aux grep jar. See, my jar file is running. Okay. So next is what, guys? Jar file is running, right? Next is what? You can create a front end layer, install Python, and you know the process, right? Next, what you need to do. So you can try if you are interested front end process also pipeline. Clone again. Next is what? Create environment, Python environment, install the dependencies. First, Python you can install manually. Installation process, no need to go through Jenkins. Jenkins is not a one-time activity, right? It's continuously running, right? So installations better to not give to through pipeline. The installations and all we can handle by Terraform, right? So now you can understand this project is first Terraform we are using to create infrastructure. Required packages and all we can handle by user data. Terraform with EC2 user data. So whatever I have installed, Git, Terraform, Jenkins and all, right? After that is what? Create a pipeline, run the pipeline. Done your project, right? Automation. Terraform to create the background infrastructure. Jenkins is to deploy the application. So first Terraform, then Jenkins. Done. Screen still issue is there. Avinash? What about others? Are you able to see my screen or not? Avinash, can you check your end issue is there, please? Yeah, thanks. Okay. So front end process, you know, right, how to do. So if you want, can I show one more time? quickly git clone. HTTPS. Java. Go to front end. Okay. So create a virtual environment and run the process. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to front end here. So process. First I'm creating what here? Python already. Python I'm going to install. Let's check here. M install Python 3. So I'm asking you to do this process into through Jenkins. Next is what? Create a environment. So active VNV is I'm going to active. Okay. So now everything is performed into VNV inside only, not inside the home directory directly. So I'm going to install these two activities now. Okay, done now. Next is what? So take this. Uh, So which one? This is home directory inside if you want to do. This is for what? Yeah, this is in GitHub clone repository inside. So the changes are what here? Path only, right? Yeah, you can go and give. So which path I have to do changes here? One 31. So you can give directly localhost also. The reason all are running in same server, right? So clear, guys. So you can daemon reload first. Active. Okay. What is the port number? 8501, right? Clear now? So this process also you can do through Jenkins. 172. Okay, got it. So database endpoint we haven't changed in the Jenkins. Okay. You can do one thing directly. You can add database endpoint. You can rerun the pipeline. It will work. This database one you have to change inside the pipeline. Okay. And admin username password. I think. Yeah. So quality gates, if you want to check, as of now, quality gates are passed, right? The reason is what? In my quality gates here, default I have selected, right? You can add a conditions. Even you can check the project here. See, this project is passed, right? So you can click on it here. You can see the issues. So yeah, major issues are 3. You can see the here. Blocker is 1. Code smells are 9, right? So can I add now code smells condition into my, in the quality gates inside? Yeah, I can see now. So this is running fine now. This is working fine now. So now you can hit now. Clear? $172. Okay, let's restart front end server. Status active, right? Now you can access. $172. Max retries exceeded. Connection refused. Let's go to check once. Backend. DB. We have to change the DB password. Why? Let's go to here. Max connection read error. Okay, okay. PS aux. Yeah. No error is there here. Yeah, no error is there. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let's go to varlib Jenkins workspace ls backend. So this is the jar file, right? Okay, I'll do one thing. Let's remove this. Maybe same name it is not killing. Okay. And also ps aux grep. jar. So how to kill this? P kill -9. 28200. Okay. Command is right only, right? Kill. Space not there, na? Kill to -9, na? 28419. Yeah, already killed. So let's go check now. So 27425. See, this is process is running by Jenkins. So let's kill this process also. 27425. Okay. Three two one five eight. So this is jar. Okay, leave it. Okay, let's run again. Pipeline. Build now. Click on it. So you can see SonarQube quality gates are passed here. Okay. Yeah, run now. Okay, database details changed, right? Let's go to configure. CRK2. Okay, correctly change. Admin cloud 123. Okay, let's go to SG group of database. Okay, all good. So go to the backend now. Why code quality fail? Cannot be reached. Okay. Hmm? No, I have removed Java process also. I have killed Java process also. That's what Sonar stopped here. M remove Maven -y. Okay. So M install maven-y Java 17 is downloading. Okay. So su-sonar. Okay. So we can start sonar commands also, no? Go to cd opt ls sonar cube. Again disconnecting. I'm unable to do anything like this. Internet disconnecting and connecting, disconnecting and connecting. No, no, no. See, I'm taking morning batches also. Only issue will come not only now, from the last 6 months, same problem. See, response stop, timed out. You can see here also request time load, here also request time load. సిక్స్ మంత్స్ నుంచి చేస్తున్నారండి. ఓకే. ఓకే. స్టార్టెడ్. What password I have given? Let's try. Oh, thanks. Okay, let's run pipeline again. Yeah, correct when QR. So build package. So let's go to Jenkins inside now. Sudo su hyphen cd var logs var lib, right? Sorry. Jenkins workspace cd backend jar file created, right? So yeah, success. Okay, so let's try now from the front end again. Restart the process. Duplicate tab. So we have to go inside the same environment and restart only. Okay. Java cd front end, and you can act. Yeah, so you can directly run now. Here this process. Yeah, daemon reload. Copy. Daemon reload, and you can run. So you can enable first VNV. Okay. Now you can daemon reload. Enable front end, and we can restart. Okay. You can check the status now. Active, right? What is the port number? 8501. Why this is coming here? Okay, let's connect. Connection name. DB instance. Database connection. Host name. So you can give connection name, anything is fine. Test something like this. Admin. Password. Which password I have given, guys? Come on, come on. Ah, capital C. The rate. Okay, yes. I think password is wrong. Okay. Again, try. Okay, so you can try. Give correct. So I forget the password. That's what connection timeout. I'm getting an error. So you can try. Give the correct password and all. So let me show something anyway. We have a time, right? Meanwhile, so go to the Sonar Cube here. So we have a quality gates, right? Uh, the quality gates. Yeah, we can create a quality gates here. I'm giving here something quality gate name. I'm giving here. Check. So here condition is what? My and something oral code inside. So code smells are there now. Already code smells are there, right? So for example, I'm just giving a 1% here, add condition. Now check as a set as a default. Okay. So we cannot do this process through Jenkins. This is inside SonarQube internal activity, right? So now if I run the pipeline, build now. See here, quality gates are failed, right? You can open here. See, pipeline failed due to not meeting a SonarQube quality gate requirement. Now you can go and check here. See, data store fail. So now if you can go and check SonarQube inside a project, this is failed. So from this input give to a Jenkins quality gate stage, right? Get the response from where? SonarQube inside. That's what we have integrated here. Yeah, webhook. So we have integrated webhook for to get information from here to there. Okay. So if you not integrate, for example, here, if you delete this integration, what will happen now? Even if you configure this pipeline, keep on running, waiting for the status from the SonarQube, whether I can approve or any. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, for example, if you not use the quality gate now in the pipeline inside, if you not use the quality gates now, for example, let's see here. Yeah. So pipeline inside, if you not use the quality gates, where it is. Yeah, third stage. Yeah. If you not use the quality gate, even this package success or fail. Understand? Even this package success or fail, it will give pipeline stage success only. Understand? What Jenkins understanding is what here? This stage completed or not, that's it only. Whether it is a fail or success, Jenkins will not give anything. That's what we are integrating a status from here. Where? So we are configuring here webhook here. This webhook helps what here to take the information from the SonarQube, whether I can approve or not, it will tell. Understand? So based on this information only, the Jenkins response will get it back. That's what we have to configure this webhook integration. Clear now, guys? Okay. So you can complete this project first today, and later we can try with GitLab CI/CD. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. So we don't have session tomorrow, guys. So next session is on Monday. You only ask break, right? That's what. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Thanks. No, Cloud 123 is not working. I tried. Small C, yeah. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 given, na? One extra letter given, na? Oh, I given only 4 letters, ah. Let's try. Only four. Ah. Oh, okay, okay. No. Anyway, I missed the password, guys. So a lot of passwords are there, right? Sonar Cube, Maven, and also I missed that. Anyway, so better. My suggestion is give same password for Jenkins, Sonar Cube, database also. Like this, otherwise problem will come. Okay. Thank you. Bye.